September 11th, 2001. Chaos, smoke, fear. But in the middle of it all, two heroes emerged. Meet Salty and Roselle, two guide dogs inside the World Trade Center when disaster struck. When the towers were hit, panic set in. But these dogs, they stayed calm. Salty wouldn't leave his owner behind, even when others tried to help. Roselle led her owner through the smoke and chaos, guiding 30 people down 1,463 steps. Just minutes after they escaped, the tower collapsed. Even after surviving, Roselle wasn't done. She led her owner all the way home. For their unwavering bravery, Salty and Roselle were awarded the highest honor for animals, the Dickin Medal.